Hi, I missed you guys. What's up, you guys? It's Mommy Hacks. I missed you. And today we're going to make a wonderful, amazing, fabulous confetti cannon! Boom! Sparkles! It's wonderful! So today, for your confetti cannon, which is super duper easy, you're going to need a toilet paper roll, confetti of your choosing. I chose red, white, and blue. Happy birthday, Marka. Tape, skizzers, a balloon of any color of your choosing, and decorative paper. Woo! This is off the internet. You're going to take your lovely balloon and you're going to cut the top of it. Just the tiniest little part. Next, you're going to tie your balloon. Ouch, 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 ouch. Next, you're gonna take your balloon and you're gonna just stretch it over the top. And you're gonna try and center your knot as much as you can, because this is going to be your propeller. Ooh, I'm so excited to shoot it. Next, you're going to take your lovely decorative paper and you're gonna take your tape and do the double-sided tape pack. Stick it right on top. Wrap your paper around it. And now it looks fabulous! Now, one more step. Take your confetti. I think this is a two-handed gesture, or on this too. Oh, I'm doing so good. Look at me, look at me. I haven't made a mess yet. So, then you're gonna fill your cannon. And now we're ready for the magic. Are you guys ready? Tell me when you're ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? Eddie Spaghetti? Eddie, 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 Eddie. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Boom! Sparkles! It's wonderful! And now you've made your wonderful, amazing confetti cannon. Mommy X out. See you next Tuesday. Like, comment, subscribe! That's crazy. That's awesome.